So I just received this box. The products start to arrive. The Liqui Moly Synthoil High-Tech 5W-40 engine oil, and the oil treatment, the Liqui Moly CERATEC. So please stay tuned, because soon I will review both of them, and also I will post the videos after I will put them into a Volkswagen Polo 9N3 from 2004 to see if there will be a major improvement in the overall engine behavior, and hopefully the oil consumption will be reduced, hopefully drastically. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.